guys, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a PR unboxing video. I did receive a couple packages and I just really want to share with you guys what I received. And I overthink these videos because I don't want it to come off as I'm bragging about the items that I do receive. I just want to be able to share with you guys what's on the market in case you haven't heard of these products. And maybe there's something that might interest you. So if you're interested in seeing what I received in PR, then just keep watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Okay, so the first box that I received is from Pop Beauty, and this package here is a pretty big one. Oh, I'm opening it the wrong way. Ay, que si no estoy pendeja, it's like backwards. Okay, so it looks like we have some collaborations with a few makeup artists. I actually follow Amy. I think she's so freaking beautiful and she does some really beautiful looks as well. Is this Shannon? Oh no, that's Megan. Here we have Amy De La Torre makes Cahill? God, I'm so awful at pronouncing stuff. My boyfriend always makes fun of me. And then over here we have Victor Ramos. Pop Beauty is all about expressing yourself through color. I am so thrilled to team up with these ultra talented influencers as they add their individual unique taste and style to one of their best selling products. So I'm not wearing lipstick because I'm going to be swatching some of these colors for you. These, I looked it up on the website. This didn't come with a pamphlet of pricing, but these retail for $8 each. And let me go ahead and start with some swatching for you guys.
Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Keep your eyes on the prize. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You gotta want it with all your might. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. I know you're gonna be alright. You wanna make your way in this crazy world. Step up, girl, you got what it takes. They always say don't make waves. Don't you listen, no. You gotta speak up. You gotta dare and speak your mind. You gotta get loud, or you'll always be behind. 'Cause girl, you gotta let them know that you mean it. 'Cause girl, you gotta let them know to keep those hands away from you. So, girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You need a man to keep you down. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. 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 Say goodbye to the fear inside. Speak out, girl, no one can shut you down. They'll try and make you feel out of place. Don't you let them. You gotta speak up. You gotta dare and speak your mind. You gotta get loud, or you'll always be behind. 'Cause girl, you gotta let them know that you mean it. 'Cause girl, you gotta let them know to keep those hands away from you. So, girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You need a man to keep you down.
My lips are on fire. Oh my god, you guys, so my lips are freaking like burning right now because of all of the 12 shades that I applied. I was like wiping off every single color and it kind of just irritated my lips, but It's all good. I applied some lip gloss over the last color and I feel like it's a little bit more hydrating. So those were the 12 shades that I received from Pop Beauty, and then let's go ahead and move on to the next package. So the next package is from Sigma Beauty, and I do want to mention before I get started with the stuff that Sigma sent me, I do have an affiliate link with Sigma, so that's super good because I'm going to be showing you guys all of these items that I received. And if you want to purchase any, you can use my code Tracey10 at checkout and you save 10% off. And on top of that, right now Sigma is having like a 30% off site-wide on their website. So I'm letting you guys know that the items that are in here, I'm like super excited to try myself. In almost all of my makeup tutorials, especially when I'm like focusing on the eyes, I do describe to you guys the brushes that I'm using because I think brushes are like the most important thing. It's really important that you do have the right brushes when you're creating looks. And there is a brush for every single detail that goes on your eyes, especially with cut creases or any looks that are very precise. The first item that they sent me is the Sigma Basic Eyes Brush Set. I have to say that slowly, I was like stuttering for a second. And these are all the brushes that are in the package. If you look on the back, it tells you the description of each of the brushes and what they're used for. I'm gonna read the back of the box and tell you guys what Sigma says this brush is used for. And the E60 brush is a large shader brush and it quickly covers the lid in color. So that's what Sigma says, and let's see what Tracey says. Yeah, I can use it for that. Tracey says Sigma is right. I feel like this brush can also be used to apply some concealer down here. I feel like it's big enough. This next brush is the E70 Medium Angled Shading Brush, and let's see what Sigma says about this one. On the back of the box, it says that this brush is used to softly highlight the brow bone. And if you guys have been paying attention to my makeup tutorials, I use this kind of brush in a completely different way. You can definitely apply some highlight to your brow bone with this brush, but what I like to use it for is hold on, let me move my lash. I like to apply like the darkest shade to the outer corner here, and I feel like it's fluffy enough to blend it out afterwards to diffuse the line. But when you want to pack on a really dark shade here, or you want to go ahead and apply it to the inner corner here to create a halo eye, I feel like this brush works so good and it's definitely a must-have. Alright, moving on, this is the E30 pencil brush, and this is to soften liner along the lash line. I do have this brush as well, and I use it a completely different way than what Sigma is saying here, but it's good to know what Sigma says. I'm definitely going to try that out, but what I love to use this brush for is whenever I do cut creases. Sometimes you lose the eyeshadow, the intensity of the darkest shade that you have at your crease, and it's good to go over, like after you've done your cut crease, it's good to go over with the previous dark eyeshadow and just darken up that line. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. Alright, and then we have the tapered blending brush. This is the E40, and Sigma says this is to soften and blend harsh color lines, which Tracey agrees. You really don't need a description of how to use this brush. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, and then we have the E05 eyeliner brush, and Sigma here says this is to define the eyes with gel or liquid liner. Avi, I don't already have this brush, so I'm really excited to put this to use. I definitely can see myself using this to, let me see how soft it is. Oh yeah, it's pretty soft. So sometimes you guys see that I apply lines here at my crease, like precise lines with colors and stuff like that, or even to draw little designs if you're like that creative, so I'm excited about this one. Alright, and now we have the E65 small angled brush, and this is to create precision lines and strokes. These are the kind of brushes that I love to use to do my brows. I feel like this is like really thin. I don't know, let me show you guys. It's really thin and it can definitely do precise brows, especially like when you're lining the bottom of your eyebrows here. And you can do eyeliner. I've never used this to do eyeliner. I feel like it would be a little bit more tricky because it would come out really thick, and I'm not into like super thick eyeliners. I'm not trying to look like Amy Winehouse, rest in peace. That was her signature, it's not my signature eyeliner. Alright, and then we have the Sigma E55 eye shading brush here, and what Sigma says is Evenly apply color across the entire lid with this brush. Oh my god, ¿por qué no me dicen nada? What is this? You guys probably seen me use it a couple times. This is really good when you're packing on an eyeshadow, like really like where you want it to really show through. So I agree with Sigma on this one. Okay, so this retails for $77 on the Sigma website, and I feel like that is pricey. These are very high quality brushes and they're gonna last you, I think that they have like a, I don't know how many years warranty that they have, but they will replace it in case all of the bristles start coming off, which it has not happened to me and I've had mine for quite some time now. I highly recommend that you check them out, and they do sell them individually if you just want to go ahead and try one out for your first time. They have all of the brushes right now on 30% off. You use my discount code and you get an additional 10% off, so that's 40% off, so that's a good deal, you guys. Alright, and then next we have this liquid lipstick. This is the, what is it called? The Lip Eclipse, and this is in the shade She Knows the Ropes. I'm so sorry, but I am not down to try this on because my lips still burn, so I'm just gonna swatch it in the back of my hand for you guys. Ooh, that's a really pretty coral. These right now on their website, I saw that they are $10.50. So they have other shades, of course, so if you want to go ahead and check out their lipsticks. Okay, and then it looks like we have the Sonicity Lash Curling Mascara. This is the Sonicity Lash Mascara, and this retails for $19. Alright, and then it looks like we received the Power Lips Liner. And the lip liners retail for $14, but they're on sale right now for $9.80. And that glides on so pretty. I never do lip liners, and I know that I should, but I don't. So I'm excited to try that out because I probably have like 2 lip liners. I need more. We got the Sigma Warm Neutrals Volume 2 Eyeshadow Palette, and you slide the actual palette out. And it does have a good size mirror, and it has this plastic cover to protect the eyeshadows. Just look at these colors, so pretty. I'm really drawn to the color After Hours. Let me show you closer. Also, you guys, the Beauty Bird palette, if you guys don't know Beauty Bird, how do you not know Beauty Bird? She also launched a palette that just sold out, but once it's in stock, you can definitely use my discount code and you can still save 10%. 10%. It sounds like croissant. Was I trying? I'm thinking about croissants. You can save 10%. What the fuck? You can save 10% on that palette once it's back in stock. So if you're a fan of hers, you should totally do that. I'm debating on whether I should buy it or not. We got holidays coming up. I got a lot of other stuff to buy. And these are all of the eyeshadows that are in this palette here. All of these shimmers are very buttery, except this one here. This one, you definitely have to apply it with some type of setting spray before you apply it on your lid. But if you wear makeup on an everyday basis, like this is definitely going to be your palette for like your daytime look. You can also smoke out your eye with these 2 here, which are the darkest shades in the palette. I received this beauty blender, well, beauty sponge, I'm sorry, by Practic, and this is a sister company to Sigma Beauty, as you guys can see here. It does have a flat side here, which I really like that beauty sponges have. As you guys probably seen in one of my videos, I did review this sponge that I received from Juno, so they're kind of like the same thing, they're the same size. This is a lot softer because of the fuzziness of the sponge. And also a little bit more squishy. I have tried one of their beauty blenders in the past, and this works best when it is damp. So that's it for my PR unboxing. I hope that you guys do enjoy these type of videos. If you guys want to see more of these videos, please let me know down in the comments. Also, what do you guys think about that eyeshadow palette? Are these eyeshadows something that you would wear, and would you like to see a review on that palette? Okay guys, so the moment that you guys have all been waiting for is my giveaway winner announcement. Before I announce the winners, I do want to mention that don't be discouraged if I do not say your name. I do have 2 more giveaways coming up, and I've been using this product quite often, and this is definitely going to be a part of my next giveaway. This is the Green Clean Cleansing Balm. I use it to remove my makeup, and also you guys seen me wipe my lids when I do cut creases using this. It removes it all, girlfriend, so that's going to be a part of my next giveaway, along with a few more products, so don't be discouraged, girl. My first prize winner is going to be PATRICIA Paquettes. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Patricia. I'm sorry if I'm not. As my first prize winner, I want you to go ahead and check out lensevillage.com. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the description box. And I need you to pick out the prizes that I did mention. So if you did forget what those prizes were, I'm gonna link them in the description box as well. After you have chosen your items, go ahead and send me an email letting me know what the items are, and they'll be on your way. My next winner is gonna be MARYANN Deal. MARYANN, you're also going to be getting some contact lens of your choice and a little case. So go ahead and head over to the Lense Village website and pick out your contacts that you would like, and those will also be on your way. As always, if you did enjoy this video, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. By doing that, you do help my video get out there and be seen by other people, and I really appreciate your guys' love and support and engagement. I said this before and I'm gonna say it again. I love getting to know you guys in the comments, and I appreciate you guys watching my videos, and that's why I'm doing these giveaways for you guys. Don't forget to watch my latest videos, which are gonna be right over here. And also, if you hit this little circle right here, it's gonna subscribe you to my channel in case you haven't done so already. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.